Hello, my name's Izzy and I'm joined today by Robbie.
Hello.
And we're from Riverview Portfolio and we're going to talk to you guys today about property management apps.
First, we want to talk about why it's useful to take advantage of property management apps. There are multiple responsibilities of landlords and property managers, and it can be very difficult to organize the tasks required of you and keep important information and records together. Property management softwares allow you to keep easily track of tenancy agreements, raise alerts for repairs or tenants' requests, set reminders for contract renewals, and also ensure that you're being paid in full and on time. Keeping efficiently organized allows you to save time during those administrative chores. Plus, when you use the software to keep this data together, you can use that data to generate useful information to help you grow your business. Please note that during this video, we will mention units. What we will mean by units is tenancies and not properties.
So why should you integrate property management apps with accounting software? It helps with reducing the manual entry within accounting softwares by using the automated features in the property app. You can minimize the stress about using the correct account codes within accounting software, as when you are onboarded, a one-time setup process will do all of this for you. You're able to share real-time information with accountants via the accounting software, which helps with accountancy reporting for your tax needs. The reports within accounting software are more detailed and suited to be able to provide management reporting to aid financial and business decisions. But most importantly, you need to be ready for making tax digital, otherwise known as MTD. Some of you may already be aware that HMRC are trying to digitize the way we do our tax administrations. And to do this, they're working to make taxpayers use MTD compatible software and keep digital records. All VAT registered businesses are already having to comply with MTD rules by keeping digital records and using MTD compatible software to submit their VAT returns. But this is expanding to affect self-employed businesses and landlords from April 2024. Self-employed businesses and landlords with annual business or property income above £10,000 will need to follow the rules for making tax digital. Be ready for this change by getting set up on an accounting software. If you're running a limited company, then you will need to be prepared for MTD to be relevant for corporation tax in 2026.
So which app is best for you? We know there won't be one app that is suitable for everybody, and there are so many to choose from, it's hard to understand which may be right for you and your business. So what we have done is some research for you, and for each app, we have assessed their features, their prices, the support you need, and the usability to identify which property management app would be right for you.
So the first app we want to talk about is Landlord Studio. We're recommending Landlord Studio for those startup businesses with 2 to 9 units who may not have had experience using any property management software before. Landlord Studios integrates with Xero, but currently does not integrate with QuickBooks, so Xero users will be getting the most use out of this software. It also runs the finances through into Xero on a cash basis. So Landlord Studios would not be suitable for those of you running limited companies. The starting categories used in Landlord Studios for recording your income and expenses are very simplified. So it's really quick and easy to use when your transactions are not very complex to start off with. Although the category list can grow and change as your business also grows. As you are running on a cash basis and can get those management and financial benefits you need from within Landlord Studios itself, you will be free to use the Cashbook edition of Xero. So for those of you that don't know, Riverview Portfolio are platinum partners of Xero. This means we can offer our clients a simplified version of Xero at a significantly lower price than the standard Xero subscription price. Zero Cashbook does have very limited features useful for business owners, but when it's partnered with a property management app like Landlord Studio, you'll get all that you need to manage your business compliantly and efficiently. Landlord Studio coupled with Zero Cashbook combines to make the cheapest subscription plan from our list of recommended property management apps today. This is quite important when you're starting off and need to make these considerations towards cash flow.
Our next recommended app is Rentancy. This records on an accruals basis, so can be used by limited companies as well. We recommend this for 10 to 50 units. The low subscription fee per unit makes it ideal for those starting to grow into a more established size. But we recommend starting this once you have around 10 units, as a one-time setup fee is required. Rentancy integrates with Xero, who give Rentancy their stamp of approval at XeroCon, which gives confidence in a well-developed app with good integration. At the moment, it does not integrate with any other accounting softwares. A really great feature from Rentancy that makes it stand out in our list is its ability to integrate with WhatsApp. This allows for built-in communication from within Rentancy to promote a real smooth workflow regarding tenant requests and maintenance tasks.
Next up, we want to talk about Arthur. This one is the one you are most likely to have heard of, as it's very popular and has integrated with Xero and QuickBooks for quite some time now when compared to the other property management apps on our list. We're recommending Arthur for landlords that are quite well established with 45 plus units, mainly because the subscriptions start at 45 units, but also because there is a setup fee as well as an optional training fee, which we would recommend you do so you can make full advantage of all of Arthur's features. At this level of management, it becomes more difficult to keep on top of the multiple tasks and deadlines required of you. This is where Arthur can really benefit, as it has an end-to-end solution regarding tenant queries and requests, as well as automated calendar reminders and notifications to ease workflow. Tenants are able to access a self-service portal to report maintenance issues, view documents, receive reminders, and more. You can then grant contractors access to all the information they need to complete the job once they have been assigned. Or if your regular contractor is busy, you can actually use Arthur's public listing to advertise the jobs to hundreds of registered contractors.
Our next property management app is B&B Tally. This focuses on accounting and automation for those of you offering furnished lettings through Airbnb and Vrbo. Please note that this does not integrate with Booking.com currently. B&B Tally integrates to both Xero and QuickBooks to automate your reservation bookings. This is really good for those of you that struggle to ensure that the full breakdown of each booking is inputted correctly into your accounting software, because B&B Tally does this process automatically for you. We'd also recommend this app to any business that has intentions to grow into multiple properties. When multiple payments are being received from one source, such as Airbnb, it can be difficult and time-consuming to understand which payment is for which booking. So the automatically generated payment created with B&B Tally can really ease that reconciliation process. A common error that we see with our clients doing their own bookkeeping is the assumption that the payment received into the bank is simply just recorded as their sales income, but this is not the case. Each income that comes from Airbnb or Vrbo should be broken down into separate components that make up the final net payment. For example, as well as your charges for the reservation, you may also charge cleaning fees to the customer. But from that income charged, Airbnb and Vrbo will deduct their hosting fees and commissions. And each of these components could be subjected to different tax rates as well, depending on what the income or expense it is, or even which property is for. B&B Tally is set up to ensure all of these things are recorded correctly and automatically.
Finally, we're going to be talking about Released. We're aiming this at commercial landlords, as this is the most expensive app on our list and has a minimum subscription starting at 75 units. This is available to both Xero and QuickBooks users and is perfect for large-scale landlords due to the smart calendar inside the software, which automatically populates with all vital property and lease action items. Due to the volume of properties and transactions, the smart calendar helps you keep peace of mind that you won't miss a key date, task, or event. As the commercial real estate industry continues to evolve, Release constantly innovates, making them leaders in property management and lease administration.
So you can see on screen right now is our summary table of what we discussed today. And to give you a more clear understanding of what property management app may be best suited for you based on our research. Please feel free to pause the video here if you want to study it better. On screen right now is our contact details, our number, website, and both of mine and Izzy's email address. If you want to get in contact, if you want further information regarding the apps or interested in starting to use any of the apps, then please feel free to get in contact. And thank you very much for watching this video today.